Bethesda, what up? Starfield. Hello everyone, I'm gonna try to play Starfield, see what all the hype's about. I'll make a new game. I did play it for like 5 minutes, so full disclaimer, I played for 5 minutes. Let's make a new game. Oh, Bethesda. I hear this game is referenced as Skyrim, but in space. Starfield. Yeah. 30, huh? Fun. Fun. Oh, a person.
Seals are good. Oxygen's good. Just do what you did last time, and you're fine.
Touching me?
Follow my one simple rule. Hella, what's my one simple
Listen
rule?
Get in, get out.
Boss lady knows best.
Okay.
Exactly. Listen to me. Mining's just like any other job. Go steady, go safe,
That's
go
amazing how
home
good
with a
this
pocket
game
full
was.
of credits at the end of the day.
Yeah,
Credits.
totally. It's just like, I work in the Stardock, except with more cave-ins, lasers, and accidental dismemberment.
Very helpful. Thank you.
You're gonna be fine. Your first outing was solid. And, let's be honest, it ain't exactly astrophysics.
That's why I keep him around. Good pep talks.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And the fact that I can pinpoint a helium deposit from 300 meters.
Not untrue.
Helium, you
Shame we
say.
won't find any down here. But the metal deposits alone should pay for our own helium.
Apparently helium's
Hell,
a
after
hot
this,
commodity.
we'll have enough jump fuel to bounce from one end of the settled systems to the
Hey,
next.
more minerals, more money. And so the cycle
No
repeats
minerals,
itself.
no problems.
Just no more unauthorized jumps in the house for room space, okay?
He's just a big baby. There are worse lives. You know, most
Yeah.
Dusties don't even make it this far. I have a good feeling about you.
A group hug now or at the end of the shift?
One of these days, Hella, I am going to leave you behind.
Promises, promises.
Ooh, this game looks amazing, man. Look at this graphics. I got that 4070 up in
Let's
here.
see what we've got. How are we on time?
A little longer. Grab some samples?
Always. But not you. Check on Isabel. Make sure she eases up on the breach. I don't feel like getting buried alive today.
This guy's
Roger that.
peeing fire. That's
Remember,
cool.
Dusty, keep your breathing steady and never take that helmet off down here. Oxygen processors don't extend this far.
Yeah.
These guys might need to see a
God
doctor.
forbid we drill
Look at
on
all
a
the
rock with
peeing
lethal
fire.
atmosphere.
Know what I
Ah,
love
okay,
about
alright.
working
They got
in
some kind
pre-stock
of mining
collector space?
lasers. Got it.
Fewer rags. A job like this in the United Colonies? Huh.
Aha.
Look at this one
There
over
we go.
here. Calvert! No! No. It's a laser, not a sledgehammer. Ease up! Benning,
It's not
if
a
you got paid
Goomba.
per break, you'd be a millionaire. Let's go!
Yeah, okay.
What do we say,
break.
Dusty? You make your cut, you get your cut. No exceptions. Come on, pick it up. Troy, what's the yield?
Minimal at this point. Occasional glimmer, but it's weak.
What do you think? Stay the course?
No, ma'am. Juice ain't worth the squeeze.
Well,
Juice
okay
ain't
then.
worth the
Let's call this one
squeeze.
tapped. Why don't you move over to that big vein we looked at?
Yes, ma'am.
Graphics have really come a long way, buddy. What's this guy doing? Laser and stuff.
Dusty, you're up. Grab a cutter and mine what you can. Metal
Mine and stuff.
deposits
Mine.
I'm busy. Anyone else to bother?
Mine. Mining. This is easy. Ooh, beryllium. Oh, more. Mine.
How they sucker you to going? Fall for the fancy pamphlets?
They're ready, boss. Get back up here.
Mine.
Come on,
You think we'll be
it's
done
time.
here soon?
You're with me.
No, I hear this is the last dig. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Scanner's reading a clean break. Shutting down.
Let's go!
Oh, I had an issue there.
Ella, get
Starfield.
the readings.
Yeah, about that.
Last one's in the rotten
How
egg.
did you consider a spike in gravity readings a problem? You don't?
Do I have a flashlight? He has a flashlight.
Okay, now you're starting to freak me out.
Relax. It's
Oh,
just
melee.
another job.
Nice.
Come on.
Flashlight. Well, I don't have a flashlight.
We're getting close, I think.
Tried F.
Yeah, everything is just... Lynn, seriously, there's something really effed up about this.
Where is it, Hella?
Through there, I think.
Okay, you're up. Something goes wrong in there, we'll come get you.
Yeah, there's no way they will. Hold F. There it is. I do have a flashlight. Alright. Hold F.
Still getting weird gravity readings.
Whatever.
I guess that's a good thing. Just keep going.
Glowing thing.
Do you see
Mining it. I will touch it. Touch. I am the Alpha and the Omega. Sorry about that. My camera cut out. What the heck?
Hey, come on. Okay, take it easy. You were out cold. No physical damage. Mentally, the jury's still out.
This man just called me retarded.
You know who you are? New recruit for Argos Extractors? Ring any bells?
Be a couple minutes, my
Any of this look familiar?
Oh, I can make my profile. Yes. I just gotta show the people
That
what
is-
happened. Heavy and muscular. I'm a big old thick boy. Oh yeah. My name is Thickums. Body type. Yeah, no, I'm a man. I'm a very fancy man. I'm very white. Yes, the whiteness. I'm pretty good with all this. Except for the eyes. Hair color. My hair is more brown. No, I'll make it black. I'm really bald. You know what? Let's make him bald. Let's roleplay as myself. Let's roleplay as myself. Pretty cool hair options. Okay, can I just... yeah, okay. Bald. There we go. Eyes. I have hazel eyes. That's pretty close. I have very big, bushy eyebrows. Very big, very bushy. No. No. Yeah, that's probably good. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Also good. Perfectly fine. Yep. Teeth! His teeth are fine. Why'd I got jewelry? Alright, alright. Cool, cool. Yes, bueno. I want none of this. Alright. No. I want none of this. Alright. aesthetic? No. Scars. Yes. Yes. That one's cool. The Kratos. Yes. Face tats. Ooh, face tats. That's pretty cool. That's actually not too bad. Give him the old Last Airbender. Cheeks. Cheeks, eyebrow, dirt. Now we're good. Background, what am I gonna be? A chef? Gangsta? One second. Pilgrim, Professor, Ronin, Sculptor, Soldier, Space Scoundrel. I'll be a space scoundrel. Traits. Introvert. Oh, okay. Sure. Now what's a neon street rat? Yeah. Do some crime. Forget that. Sure. You're a peaceful person. Sure, why not? Sure, I'll be hero worshipped. This is hilarious. I will be Tuscavar. Which is a... oh, I get to have pronouns. What other pronouns do I got? Can't change it? Apparently? How to change my pronouns? Whatever. Tuscavar. Oh, there it is, pronouns. I'm more of a they-them as Tuscavar, because I'm an elephant. This is in reference to my Dungeons & Dragons character. And confirmed.
Almost forgot about your application. The one note I had on your file was troublemaker.
Damn right.
Well, you got the sample. Client's on his way, then we all get paid. You remember anything that happened?
There we go.
Easy there, high flyer. Probably just the endorphins kicking in when you passed out. Don't go having an experience on me. You'll walk it off. More importantly, we got what we were looking for.
All this trouble for that?
Never mind what it looks like. It's worth more than this mine has pulled in all month. We'll be...
We're gonna be rich.
Speak of the devil.
Rich, I tell you. Ooh, do I need health? I'll take that. Ooh, what can it steal? Press mouse 3 to switch between first and third person.
Our constellation contact is on approach.
Look at him.
Wait.
Look at Tuscavar.
The Explorers group? I thought they were kind of a joke.
Not a
Got
joke.
something to steal?
You're just too young to know better.
Has no value.
Hey, I'm just saying they got a reputation. Hell,
value.
I bet half the crew here doesn't even believe they really exist.
You
Half the crew
don't look
doesn't believe
good.
Earth exists, but it's still there.
Has value.
Same with constellation.
Yeah.
Has value.
Come on. Exploring space? Who does that anymore? Ain't the space we've already got complicated enough?
Has value.
Not to them,
Has
apparently.
value.
Lynn sure seems to like you. Guess she would know, being the
You
boss
guys
and
just
all.
leaving this stuff out here just for people to take? You guys are idiots. A lemon? Mine. When life gives you lemons, you take them.
All right, Dusty. Airlock. Put your helmet on.
Tab. Tuscavar. Skills, select the area in the lower right. Helmet. I think it's on. See if I start dying.
Yes, it has. That mine on Bendy, right?
Kazal, hellhole, like this place. Rare mineral contract. Your tastes are a bit more sophisticated now, huh?
So, you found something?
Right here. A new one found it.
That right. And everything went cool? Just like grabbing those minerals on Bendy?
Kazal, and no Barrett, not cool. They passed out after the extraction. Woke up saying all kinds of nonsense.
Is that right? Went on a trip, huh?
I did.
That fun, huh?
Look, just hand over the credits, and I'll be happy to never see this thing, or you, ever again.
That's why I like you, Lynn. All business.
Barrett, the scanners on the frontier are reporting a ship coming in hot from orbit.
Coming in hot.
I really thought I lost them.
Something useful.
Just like the emergency drill. Go, go! He's got this. Okay, I'll stick to cover. Stick to cover.
Weapons, skills. The handgun. Let's get blasted. I got a heater.
I'm out of here. I need some help here.
Coming in. Keep playing. He's got a machine gun. Gotta make sure. Ooh, hit it. What any of that stuff is, I'm taking it. I may have shot a miner by accident. Oh, that's it. That's where my computer fried. That's it. That's where my computer fried. I had to do a hard restart and everything. Like I couldn't even control Alt Delete out of here.